wanted to share a really special posture with you. This comes from the restorative yoga realm, and if you're needing to do the work to just like downregulate the nervous system in like the comfiest, easiest way that you possibly can, we're going to elevate the spine. Now, you don't actually need a bunch of yoga props. You could do this at home with like books, pots, couch cushions, like you name it. What we're looking for is supporting the spine at sort of this 30-degree angle here. And so we're gonna give ourselves a little bit of height. And I've got a few blankets, so blankets, towels, anything like that that you've got at home. Usually we have quite a selection. So give yourself a little bit of an extra pillow so that your head and neck have a bit of extra support. How high that is really gonna be up to you. We're going to probably want something to tuck in and sort of make the toes and the feet and legs and everything nice and warm. And then we're also going to grab onto a blanket and make ourselves into something that I call a burrito. And so once you've got everything supported here, you're gonna kind of hug your low back right close up to your support. And then you're gonna take a wider blanket or a towel and you're gonna place it over top of your arms. And then you're gonna grab underneath one little and sort of tuck, and then the other side with the other hand and tuck. And then you're gonna find that when the arms rest, you've got like this little sling, making yourself into a nice little burrito for the arms to stay supported. And so get yourself settled in, find your support with your arms, make sure you're warm, you're cozy, maybe turn off the lights or even place something over the eyes so you've got a bit of darkness. And the purpose here in this elevated, this 30-degree position through the spine, it's like this lovely little halfway in between your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic nervous system. And so if you just like really need to have a reset midday, but you've really been operating in quite a lot of intensity, finding this sort of nice middle ground is a perfect segue. So get yourself settled in, close the eyes, make sure you're feeling nice and cozy. And then maybe set yourself a timer if you can. Ideally, we're gonna aim for about 20 minutes, but work with what you've got. If you've only got 5 minutes, amazing. Set your timer so that your mind doesn't keep wandering, and then just drop in and let go. Let the eyes grow soft. Let the jaw and the teeth unclench. And just feel your whole body soften and settle. Letting soft but full breaths find a nice little internal massage. And so taking these time to have a balance to the intensity in your day is going to keep you feeling much more grounded. You'll find that you're much able to resist when things get really, really stressful because you've had this time to reset, bring the nervous system back into balance. I'm going to leave you just as you are. So finding however much time you have available for this deep and powerful release, set your timer and rest and relax.